Have you ever been frustrated when your iPhone automatically switches to speaker mode during calls? It can be really annoying, especially when you want to keep your conversation private or just prefer using the handset. Don't worry though, in this video I'm going to show you two simple and effective solutions to fix this problem for good. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off call audio routing. To do this, open the setting app on your iPhone, then find and tap accessibility. After that, scroll down a bit and tap on touch. Then, scroll down again, find call audio routing and tap on it. From here, select automatic. Now, the issue should be fixed. If not, try out the next solution. Solution 2. Reset your iPhone settings. For this one, open up the settings app once more. Tap on general. Next, find transfer or reset iPhone and tap on it. Now select reset all settings. Confirm by tapping reset all settings again. Your settings will now be reset and the issue should be gone. Alright guys, that's how you can fix the issue of your iPhone automatically switching to speaker during call. If this video helped you solve the problem, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to assist you. Thanks for watching.